Just going to deliver the CEO's report for the 24th of October by video. So here's what we've got. In the numbers this week, the site co-margin was the highest it's been since the handover about 2 years ago. So well done to Mitch, Evan and Vic for really driving those key venues and making them super profitable so that we can all have some money to share around. Well done also to the function sales team. Sean and Jess have got 6 callers together and we're really trying to create lots of extra functions for the DJs to create more work for everyone. And finally, well done to Megan, Kerry, Beck Brittle and Joe Shahadi. Hosting attrition is the highest we've ever seen it at 80%, and they created 26 new VIPs this weekend. Absolutely fantastic. We've had some pretty solid Friday and Saturday nights. If you see Jess Hawley, Bilal Faruqi, Mitch Burnley, Vic Dragachescu or Evan Mortimer, give them a bit of a high five because they've been creating some really, really solid nights, and it's really, really great. We've got more party people in than any other organisation in the States, so well done everyone. We've got some training videos that we're bringing out this quarter, and I just wanted to shout out to Anthony and Joe for making these videos available. We're starting off with training videos for the DJs. The first video is starring Mark C, and it's about mashups, so stay tuned for that. That should be coming out shortly. We've got some venues referring us leads, which is really, really exciting. Bilal's been meeting with venues and locking down active lead referrals, which means that the venues are actually putting us onto the people that need DJs for their functions, and that just basically means more work for DJs coming up, so that's fantastic. Had a really great Ying Chow tonight featuring MC IVB. Thanks to Mitch for letting us know that people wanted Ying Chow, and to Sean for supporting the event. And Ivy's still very, very cute. It was really, really fun. She came along and had tea with us. We had some meetings with the International Trade Council last week regarding a club incubator project that some people from overseas have been really bugging me to try and get together to actually teach people from other countries how to make good nightclubs. I've been working with Francis Wong here in Adelaide, and I've got a meeting in Bangkok in November to share the idea and make it real for everyone that's been asking for it, and then a focus group starting here in Adelaide in January, and finally we're going to deliver some results to a thing called the Global Leadership Conference in May. A lot of the people that are interested will be at that conference, and I'll be talking to them then about what we've got and trying to get that going. So that's pretty exciting for the future. Us Griffins teaching people all around the world how to do what we do, which is pretty cool. Griffin's been collaborating with Grover Almond, which is a guitar pick company. They're the smallest of a big lot of guitar pick distributors. They're like the smallest of the big guitar pick distributors around the world, and they're actually based right here in Adelaide. Bilal and I met with them and their team to create a collaboration to help each other do better on the net, and we're going to be meeting monthly until we're #1 on Google, and they have a working inbound pipe to actually use their inbound streams to sell guitar picks to people all over the world. And finally, we did a thing called DISC training, which is about personalities and communicating better with other people. 8 of us took our ability to communicate to the next level last Friday for about 2 hours, which was really, really great to get everyone together and just have a look at how we're communicating and how we can do it better. The next training for the execs is on Friday the 4th of November, and we're going to introduce some things that I learned at MIT from a group called results.com, which is one of the biggest alignment organisations in the world. And we're going to find out what the execution essentials are. So the key things that you need to keep a team aligned if you're leading or managing. And there's 4 spots for people outside the executive team. So if you can, please let me know. Have a great week.